Whoa! What's this? A Shopkins 5-pack? Cool. A Cinnabon. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, little cute kitty earrings. Crispy yellows. Yummy. What? A toilet? What? Ah! Well, it looks like Princess Celestia just found a Shopkins 5-pack to open. So cool. Let's see what I got. I can't wait to see if I get a limited edition. That would be so cool. Okay, I got it out of the packaging. Let's see what I got. So, the pet carrier for this season is a pet carrier because there is petkins. Super cute. Now, Cindy Bun. Here is Cindy Bun, a little cinnamon roll. So cute, so cute, so cute. And oh, the little cute earring twins. Let's move Cindy Bond back. So cute. Let's put them in my pet carrier. Let's open this up, take the cardboard out, and put the little kitties inside. This is so cute. It's really cute. Now, let's get crispy lettuce. Crispy lettuce. So cool. Now I want to eat some lettuce. Oh my gosh. And let's get flushes out. Flush is a toilet. Oh my gosh, it's really cool. Now let's see which one I got. I can't wait to see if it's a limited edition or a petkin or a super glimmery and shiny one. And I have, doesn't want to come out. What the heck? Okay. Okay, let's see which cutie I got. Berry smoothie. Oh, so cute. So cute. Little strawberry. Yummy. Yum, yum. So cute. Okay. Hey. Okay, it looks like Princess Celestia wants to eat some Cinnabon. Is it okay if I eat some of your Cinnabon? Yeah, I've got enough cream on me. No, that was good. Where's smoothie? Can I drink some of you? Cute. Yeah. Good. Oh no, I have to go to the Oh, thanks, Washes. No problem, I jumped up just in time. So cute. Hey, little kitty. Okay, let's eat some lettuce. That was funny. That tickled. Okay. I need to go again. Oh, thanks, Washes again. No problem. I jumped up just in time again. Okay, I hope you like this video. Tell me in the comment section which of these Shopkins is your favorite, and if you think the earrings is super cute. Little cuties. Aw, so cute. So I can't decide which of these is my favorite because these are all my favorites because they're all super cute. Bye. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video.